In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and use GIFs within your design project by first placing them into the Assets panel. This method ensures that your GIFs are organized and easily accessible whenever you need them in your creative work. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to the left sidebar of your design interface. Here you'll find various tools and panels to help you manage your content. Locate the tab labeled Assets. This is your gateway to uploading and managing visual content such as images, icons, and of course, GIFs. Clicking on the Assets tab exposes all the resources at your disposal, giving you a clear overview of what's already available. Now let's focus on getting your GIF into this space. In the Assets panel, you should see an Upload button. This button is your direct route to adding new media to your workspace. Click it, and a prompt will allow you to browse files on your computer for the specific GIF you want to use. Alternatively, you can use a more straightforward method, especially if you have the full ready. Simply drag and drop the GIF from its location on your computer directly into the Assets panel. This drag and drop technique is quick and makes the uploading process seamless. Once your GIF file appears in the Assets panel, it indicates that you've successfully uploaded it. At this point, you'll want to start integrating your GIF into your design. To do this, simply click on the GIF within the Assets panel and drag it onto your canvas. The canvas is the main area where you assemble and edit your design, and this action of dragging and dropping allows you to position the GIF exactly where you want it to appear in your project. With the GIF now on your canvas, you may need to adjust its size and position to ensure it fits perfectly with the surrounding elements of your design. Use the resizing handles on the sides and corners of the GIF to scale it up or down to your preference. It's important to maintain the aspect ratio to avoid any distortion unless you're going for a specific effect. Additionally, click and drag the GIF to move it into the optimal position on your canvas, considering balance, alignment, and overall layout. And there you have it, the process of uploading a GIF into the Assets panel and effectively adding it to your design canvas. This method not only keeps your assets organized, but also makes it incredibly convenient to incorporate animated elements into your projects effortlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect, and by familiarizing yourself with these tools, you'll streamline your workflow and enhance your creative process. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.